Introducing the MILWAUKEE M12 cordless high-performance jigsaw, the most compact high-performance jigsaw in the market. The innovative hybrid grip design combines the best features of top handle and barrel grip style jigsaws to deliver maximum control. The variable speed trigger provides fast and controlled cutting. The saw also features a MILWAUKEE Quick Lock T-shank blade clamp that offers fast and easy blade changes, and a 45-degree tool-free bevel capacity with 90-degree positive lock for increased versatility. The fully counterbalanced mechanism minimizes vibration, delivering smooth cuts. Features include an LED light, a battery fuel gauge, and a non-marring shoe for work with finish material. And the tool is compatible with the REDLITHIUM Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. For powerful cutting and maximum control, your tool is the M12 cordless high-performance jigsaw, powered by REDLITHIUM.